Hello everyone, how are you all? And I hope you are doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel, for giving lots of love to the channel. This is the message for whosoever required. Okay, if you are watching this video, then these messages are for you, but I hope it resonates with you. But if it is not resonating with you, you can skip it out and take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest, because I was not going to do reading for today, but I just got a message that I have to do a reading. Then I started doing the reading. So the messages are for whosoever required. Okay, if you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And you can let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Okay, so now let's start your reading. Let's see what are the messages. Psychic awareness. See, I just told you that I was getting the messages that I need to do the reading. I was getting this intuition that I need to deliver some messages. I was receiving some kind of messages, and here it is: psychic awareness, appreciation. Let's see what are the messages for you. And I'm using the deck Ask Your Guides. So this is the deck in which your guides are giving you messages. Okay, so your guides is telling you that now you are becoming more intuitive than before. You are having more psychic powers than before. Here, can you see? Here I can see a fish, a bird, a lotus. There is sun here, and there is light, a golden light here. So you are becoming more psychic aware than before. Then there is appreciation here from the divine helpers here. So you are going to get appreciation here. Okay, so let me read it out from the book so that I can tell you more. Appreciation. This is family, this is collective, society, community. Now it is an important time to contemplate your place in the world. Pay attention to your influence on others and note that you are a part of a big community. Okay, so here your divine helpers are present to remind you to appreciate your fellow human beings and take nothing for granted. Okay, be responsible for your part in the great scheme of things. So you have to appreciate yourself and others too. Everyone is important in the world. So appreciate. If you think that I need to appreciate this person in your life, so you need to appreciate that person. So let's see. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Please give me the messages which I need to deliver for whosoever is required. Priorities. Okay, the next card for you is priorities. I hope it's visible. Okay, I love the first card, that is psychic awareness. Wow, new life, new life. Bottom of the deck I'm having purpose, because you are moving in your life purpose. Can you see how this man is moving in this way? The divine is showing you the way here, and you are moving on this path with happily. Can you see how this man is holding a flowers and a bag in hand? So divine is very much happy, the universe is happy that you are following your life purpose. You are moving the way, you are on a right path here, because you are, now you are following your purpose, your life purpose here. Then there is new life, divine mother. So there is a new life which is coming for you. That's the message I'm having here for whosoever is required. There is priorities, there is purpose, and there is partnership and love. Beautiful. New partnerships in love, new partnership in business, new partnership in your career is coming for you. So partnership and love is here. There is creativity. Wow, work on your creativity, use your creativity. You are full of creativity. New beginnings, Beautiful. New life, new beginnings. That's why Divine Father and Divine Mother both are here. Beautiful. There are new beginnings, new life which is coming for you, for whosoever is required. These are very beautiful messages which I'm receiving right now. That's why I get this message, new beginnings. There is judgment and decision. Some kind of judgment is here. Okay, judgment is taking place and there is decisions. Beautiful. Now you are making the judgment for your life and you're making the decisions, and which are very much beautiful. Okay, can you see in this both picture there is a difference? Here there is a lot of light here and there is heart. Beautiful decisions are coming for you here, and there is judgment here. So these are the messages from this deck, and I love this beautiful messages. I love it. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages. Here I'm having priorities. I need to tell you the meaning of this too. There are choices, decisions, commitment where you have to make it. Okay, so you need to make decisions for your life. You have, maybe you are at the crossroads, okay, and you have to make a decisions here. You have to make a choice for your life. There is a new life which is coming for you here. Can you see? And here I'm having purpose. You are moving in your life purpose here. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Work on your creativity. Okay, if you're not working yet, so work on your creativity. You are having lot of creativity inside of you. Maybe you can be a painter. Okay, you can be into music. Maybe you love to play guitar, you love to play, you can be a dancer, artist. Transformation is taking place here. Can you see there is a lot of butterflies in this picture? There is guitar here, there is painting. Maybe you love your painting, so you can use that things. There are new beginnings which are coming for you. I love this reading. Okay, so now let's add some message from the Good Tarot deck. I have never used this deck in my reading, but now today I got these messages to use these decks. So now let's see. Please give me messages which I need to deliver for whosoever required. Can you see there is world here? I get the world. So you are completing out a cycle here. You are closing out a old karmic cycle and you are starting a new karmic cycles, a new cycle, a new beginnings here. There is Four of Swords. You are resting, you are rejuvenating yourself. Wow, Ace of Fire. That means Ace of Wands. Please give me the messages. Wow. Ten of Air, that is Ten of Swords. And here I'm having King of Fire. Beautiful, lot of fire and air energy is here. Okay. Bottom of the deck I'm having Emperor. Beautiful. Let me see more. Please give me the messages. Hermit. Yes, you are doing your soul searching. You are working on yourself. Here, whoever is messages are there for you. You are working on yourself. You are recharging yourself basically here. Okay. So yes, let's start more messages. Wow, Empress. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Bottom of the deck I'm having Two of Water, Two of Cups. Beautiful energy. This is the love energy. This is someone you both are, meant to be together here. Can you see? Here I'm having King of Fire and the Empress. You are rising as an Empress here. Okay. This is King of Wands and the Empress. This can be your love partner who is right now in a hermit mode here. Okay. They are going through with lot of pain here. Can you see? But they are closing out a cycle. There is no 11 in the tarot. That's why there is 10. Okay, you're closing out a cycle. This person is closing out the cycle. They are going through with lot of transformation, lot of pain. I can say that. Okay, because here I'm having the world. Right now you are doing your resting, you are rejuvenating yourself with this Four of Swords. This person is very much passionate towards you here. Can you see? You ignite the passion in them. Wow, you both are, belonging to each other. I can say that. You both belong to each other. It is Two of Cup energy. Two of Fire, Two of Fire. Two of Wands, that means they are at the crossroads. You have to make a decision. See, that's why here I'm having priorities. You have to make a decisions in your life. You have to choose your priorities, choose things for your life. And here I'm having beautiful, can you see, Four of Wands? Wow, Emperor. This is your divine counterpart. Beautiful. That's why I was getting the message that deliver the message, deliver the message. Okay, I'm now delivering the message. This is beautiful. They are coming to you here. Can you see? You both belong with each other. Two of Cups and Four of Wands. Both are here. You are destined to be with each other. Emperor and the Empress. Both are here. This is someone who can be having a fire in their chart, lot of fiery energy. Okay, but can you see in this picture they are holding a heart here. King of Wands is this person is King of Wands. They're going through with lot of pain here. They are going through with lot of pain. Ten of Swords is lot of pain, but you are the one with whom you ignite the passion in them. They want to give the Ace of Wands to you. And after doing the soul searching and all, they are going to get to know that you are the only one with whom they want to spend their whole life. They see you as an empress here. Beautiful. Lovely messages. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages. 1 minute. You both are closing out a cycle here. World card is here. Thank you. So now let's see more messages from this deck. What are the messages? Please give me the messages for whosoever is required. Please give me the messages. Crossroads. See, I told you, you are at the crossroads. Two of Wands. Where is it? You have to make a decision. Two of Wands is here. Crossroads. Either you are at the crossroads or this person is at the crossroads. Someone is making decision here. Crossroads. And you have to make a decision. You have to choose your priorities. Any other message? Maybe you can see the numbers 2, 2. Lot of 2 energies here. Any other message for whosoever required? Child, skim. Bottom of the deck I'm having gentleman. Wow. Rider, lover, heart. See, they are rushing towards you. They're coming on a horse. They're coming. This person is a gentleman, can you see? And you both belong to one another. There is a heart which is coming. You both are in one heart. You both are the lovers. You are both made for each other. Here I'm having child and there is king here. So maybe they're doing the inner child healing. Okay, or you need to do your inner child healing. And the second message which I'm getting here, that maybe you both are having house together or a child together. So these are the messages from this deck. Let me see 1 or 2 messages from the animal tarot deck. Okay. What are the messages for whosoever required? Please give me the messages which I need to deliver. What are the messages? Five of Cups, 3 of Cups. Any other message? Please give me. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Ace of Pentacle. A stable, committed offer. Maybe they're going to give you commitment here. Strength and the Emperor. See, they left you out in cold in the past. Five of Pentacle. Five of, what is that? Summer. Five of Cups. They're very sorry. They're sad. They're not feeling happy without them. They're feeling like you. They're feeling sad on the things which has already happened in the past. Okay, they're feeling guilt about that. They're very sorry. Here I'm having Three of Cups. Celebrations. They want to get reconciled with you. They're gaining the strength here. This Emperor is again. They're gaining the strength to approach you, and they're rising as an Emperor. Can you see here? Again I'm having the Emperor. Emperor. So these are the messages. They want to give you commitment here. Wow, can you see? Nine of Pentacles. They see you as someone who is very single, happy, abundant, enjoying your singlehood. And here I'm having again. This is what? Ace of Wands again. I was having Ace of Wands. Where is it? 1 minute. See, Ace of Wands. Beautiful. Let me add some signs which you may be dealing with, and then I'm going to close out this reading. Let me see, what are the signs which you may be dealing with? The elements. They can be a Cancer here. Okay. They can be an earth sign. They can be a Leo. Okay. They can be an Aquarius. They can be a Libra. They can be an Aries. Either you are born on July or your partner is born on July. Or they can be a January baby. Okay, they wants to come out. They can be a Scorpio. They can be an earth and air element. They can be a fire sign. Lot of fire sign is here. Okay, these also wants to come out. They can born on Wednesday, Thursday, or you born on Wednesday, Thursday. They can be on Monday and Tuesday day here. They can be a Capricorn here, and they can be a water sign. So I'm getting a lot of water, air, earth, fire. All signs are here. Okay. So this was the reading. This was the messages for whosoever is required. But someone is coming towards you to give you lot of stable committed offer. And the Ace of Wands. Ace of Pentacle and Ace of Wands both are here. Okay. They are someone, this person is your twin flame or your soulmate, you can call it, because this is 1111 card. And Two of Cups is here. Two of Cups and Four of Wands both are here. You both belong with each other here. Can you see? Emperor and the Empress both are here. So you both belong to each other. This is someone who is at the crossroads, or you have to make a decision in your life. I can say that. There are new beginnings and new lives which are coming for you. So beautiful message. I love the messages and I hope it resonates with you. I hope I help you out in some manner. If you like my video, you can like, share and subscribe to the channel, and you can let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. This Emperor is gaining the strength. They are not happy without you. They're feeling very sad. Okay, they are not happy at all, and they are gaining the strength to approach you. Okay. So yeah, this was your reading. I hope I delivered the messages which I was getting for you. So take care of yourself, sending you lots of healing, beautiful energies and happiness for whosoever is watching this video. I hope I help you out in some manner. Take care of yourself and see you soon.